Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to see what is meant by client script and basically how it works. So client script is something, like whenever the client do some changes or the end user do some changes on the form, then these scripts will be activated. So it may be on change, on load, on submit. So there are a lot of types, but today I'm going to show you how the onload works. So as the name itself suggests, onload is basically works or it comes into picture whenever the form gets loaded. So here I'm creating one custom script. You can see here client script onload. So I have just given some name here, demo onload, then I have marked it as active, and I'm doing it on the incident table, and it works for desktop. You can select all of or mobile always, and then there is a type which says onload. So you can see there is on cell edit, on change, on submit, and more, right? So this is very basic script, and for just checking, first of all I am doing like this. Okay, so I'll just first demonstrate you these two things, what it does. So I'm just writing one info message. I'm from the onload client script, and I'm just sending one error from onload client script. Okay, so I will just save this thing. So first of all we need to save this thing, and then we will be seeing the other things. Okay, alright, so I have saved this one, and I will just refresh the page. So here I will be opening the incident table. Then you can see here, if you just click on OK, I am from onload client script, and then error from onload client script. These are the two messages which I am getting. So these are basically coming from the client script because we are trying to load this form. So that's why every time you refresh that, those two messages will be coming. So you can see here, right, in the demo. Fine. So this is about onload. I mean, if you want to do some additional functionalities, like if you want to say make the subcategory read only, or if you want to make this description mandatory. So right now description is not mandatory, you can't see any star mark, and subcategory also you can edit, but I will do the changes. Already I have done, but I will just uncomment this code. So these two lines will make sure that subcategory will be read only, and the description is set to mandatory. So you can see g underscore form, and we are using this built-in methods and passing the two parameters, description, and it should be true. I mean set mandatory, set read only, subcategory, right? All right, so I will just save this thing. So once you save this one and come over here and just refresh this thing, so you'll be getting those two error messages. With that, these functionality will also be implemented. So I'll click on OK, and you can see I'm getting those two logs. And then if I go to this subcategory, you can see I can edit category, but I can't edit this subcategory because it is blocked by the client script here. And also you can see here there is a star mark which says like description is mandatory. If I want to save this one, it will say you didn't enter the mandatory field. So this is the basic use of client script. So of course you can do it with UI policy, you can do it with data policy, but whenever you are do it, if you want to do it from the client side, then you can use this client script or UI policy. And if you are importing some data directly, then you should add a data policy there, because there will be no client interference there. So basically it will be coming from either the databases or any other data sources like XML, CSV, and Excel formats, right? So this is all about the client script. I hope you found something here. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.